Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 205 Royal View in Pittsford.
This is the ultimate Pittsford dream home updated to perfection with a spectacular resort-style backyard.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends with this grand two-story foyer with an arched palladium window with extensive crown molding, iconic pillars, and beautiful hardwood floors. Open to a spacious living room with a gas fireplace and an executive office with crown molding, built-ins, and a window seat.
This is luxurious open living with the ultimate designer cook's kitchen, with a scenic dining area with a wall of windows, plus imported granite countertops from Brazil, soft-close Brookhaven cabinetry by Woodmode, high-end Thermador appliances including a double oven, a steam oven, a warming drawer, an induction burner, and a drinking fountain. And a prep kitchen with the same quality as the chef's kitchen with laundry and an adjacent powder room. All open to the formal dining room with crown molding, wainscoting, a bay window, and beautiful hardwood floors, leading to the light and bright family room with a gas fireplace, built-ins, and a wall of windows overlooking the backyard.
Enjoy peace and serenity with a spectacular two-story conservatory featuring 360-degree nature views, a living area with a fireplace, a hot tub, and a wet bar with a coffee station, all with access to the resort-style backyard. The grand allure of this home continues to the upstairs, with 4 spacious bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, including this elegant owner's suite with a double-door entryway, a changing area, a walk-in closet, and an ultimate updated spa bathroom with a double vanity, soaking tub, a tile shower, and laundry. Plus the best bonus feature, an incredible walk-in closet with built-in storage and an exercise area.
This is a totally over-the-top walkout lower level with a cherry kitchen with stainless steel appliances, an expansive living area, a media area with tiered theater seats and built-in surround sound, a gaming area with an adjacent exercise room, a crafts room with cherry cabinetry, granite countertops, and laundry, plus a guest suite with patio access and a full bathroom, great for hosting parties or an in-laws suite.
Enjoy convenient smart home technology at your fingertips, controlling indoor and outdoor lighting, security system, and more. The impressive architecture and quality craftsmanship of this long-well-built home is evident with its timeless and classic style for years to come.
This is your own totally new private 5-star resort with an outdoor kitchen with stainless steel blaze appliances and granite countertops with a bar, a spacious dining area, a sitting area with a gas tabletop fireplace, a lounging area, and an in-ground gunite pool with a waterfall. All with night lighting for your total enjoyment day or night.
Royal View is a neighborhood of fine homes adjacent to a nature preserve. Here we are in Showen Place in the village of Pittsford.
Pittsford is known for its fabulous restaurants, great shops, and specialty boutiques. Situated on the historic Erie Canal, great for a walk, kayak ride, or boat ride. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 205 Royal View in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!